and they have suffered under the authoritarian regime in China. They've been put in prison, tortured, and silenced because they dare to speak out and defend the citizens of China. So these are what the other people are here for.
我哋今日咧，你見到我哋呢度咧係有一個 freedom 嘅字啦。咁我哋希望咧，我哋今晚呢個燭光晚會就係或者我哋每一個人你走上嚟喺嗰個字嗰度咧，你攞一支蠟燭，你揸住啲蠟燭，每人揸支，就跟住我哋可以圍埋，我哋可以唱歌或者係去唱 Vigil。咁個意思就係咩咧？我哋每人攞一個蠟燭嘅時候咧。呢個 freedom 呢個字咧就變咗係一個唔完全嘅 freedom 啦，係一個損壞咗嘅 freedom 啦。咁嗰個意思係乜嘢咧？就係、其實自由係喺我哋嘅手上，每一個人都應該有自由嘅，我哋手上有自由嘅。但係因為一個極權嘅制度，令到我哋自由係受到破壞。咁我哋而家咧，每人拿一支蠟燭悼念投票幫我哋唱 Vigil 之後。我哋邀請每一位，再將你手上嘅蠟燭擺翻落去，砌翻自由呢個字出嚟，砌翻 freedom 嘅字出嚟，象徵嘅就係話，我哋手上每一個人，我哋本來有嘅自由，而家係俾一個極權破壞咗。但係我哋要靠每一個人嘅力量，係將嗰個自由重新砌翻出嚟。咁我希望大家會即係一齊去參與呢一個。將自由完整翻嚟嘅呢一個行動，咁我哋首先就係希望請每一位上嚟啦，就好嘅，等等啦。
I would like to invite every one of you to come up. We're going to do a little ceremony. Pick a candle from the word freedom. Come and hold it in your hands, and we're going to all sing "We Shall Overcome." And then we would like you to then put it back. Hopefully it will form the word freedom. What we want to symbolize is that freedom is in your hands. And by taking away the freedom in your hand, you're now contributing to a freedom in the society, and you can be a part of building back the freedom. So can everybody come up and just take a candle, hold in your hands, and we're going to sing "We Shall Overcome."
Remember the position where you take it, okay? So that you can put it back and then...
Or scatter around so you don't pick all the letters. Skip a few candles so that you know that roughly the word is still there.
Yeah, you can pick it from any words to any letter you like.
Skip a few candles so that you know the shape of the letters.
So we shuffle around the broken freedom, and then we're going to sing a song, "We Shall Overcome."
Anybody knows how to sing "We Shall Overcome"?
Yeah. And then we will together we will.
We need a lead singer.
I need a lead singer. Anybody can sing?
Oh yes.
1, 2, 3.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. One more time, encore. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. Thank you. If you would now put it back where you took it, hopefully we will have the word freedom back again.
多謝你哋，謝謝你們。今晚我哋呢一個咁雖然係好比較小型嘅一個嘅，今晚雖然係一個比較小型嘅悼念，但係我哋一定會盡我哋嘅能力，透過我哋嘅渠道，將今晚嘅 video 或者係照片係傳翻去俾希望係樓下，即係劉曉波先生嘅太太，同埋黃全章嘅太太係李文竹女士，亦都更加希望係可以有一日等到佢哋兩個出到嚟，我哋可以俾佢睇到，我哋真係冇忘記佢哋。大家知道，就是高志成律師，他是中國大陸的維權律師的一個先驅者，就是他頭一個人這樣的站出來，他在裡面受了很多苦，受了很多苦刑。這出來的，他進去的時候四十幾歲，出來就是50歲剛出頭，牙齒都沒有了。他做了什麼？他什麼都沒有做，他甚至沒有寫過一篇文。他被抓之前，他甚至一篇反對共產黨的文章都沒有寫過。他唯一的罪名就是他按照法律體制裏面的允許的一個程序，去為他的聘請他的公民來申訴，結果他就是這樣的進去以後，不斷的出來又被綁架，又再進去，又再受那麼大的苦刑。而王長江律師，你看就是這麼一個年輕有為的這樣的一個年輕人，進去3年。他的孩子剛剛出生，現在他都已經從來沒有見過爸爸。這3年以來，就是這樣的一個依法治國。所以我們今天晚上我們所做的一切，我們會盡我們的力量，就是把照片、把我們的歌聲送回去。好，希望你們都記住 ，Please remember their name。王傳章、高志成，劉霞已經放出來了，我們的努力一定會得到成果，我們要堅持下去。
We're gonna post a photo on Facebook as well as on YouTube at the video. We hope that this message, this very simple vigil, somewhere in the world, will bring hope and to the people who have been arrested and detained, especially to the wife of Wan Chuanzhang, as well as both our key human rights defenders tonight, Gao Zicheng and Wan Chuanzhang. They might be still in prison, but we hope one day they will be free to see what we have done to memorialize it. I still remember Wei Jingsheng. He was in prison for 18 years, starting from 1979, and he was released in 1994 or 95. He told me that don't think that what you have done so many miles away from China does not have an effect. He said, when I get news that every candle was lighted in the world somewhere, I kept my hope up, and that's why I lasted 18 years in a Chinese prison. So let's not minimize the power of each individual resistance and each individual bearing of hope, no matter where you are in this world. Thank you very much.